Hello everyone, welcome to Nushindahi channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my personal journey of getting a graphic design internship when I was just a newcomer to Canada and I was studying as an international student at Hamburg College, and then I was able to pay my third and fourth semester of my tuition fees by my internship salary. I'm gonna give you a portfolio walkthrough of the portfolio that I was able to get my internship from, and how I managed my bills and I managed my money in order to being able to be responsible for paying college fees. So as you may know, as an international student in Canada, you need to pay extra money for the college. For example, my own fees for each semester was nearly $8,000, but for who is a Canadian citizen here, they just need to pay maybe $2,000 or $1,000, and also get their support from the government for student loans for their studies. But when you're an international student, you don't have any support and you need to be responsible for your own payments and just pay extra, double, even more than double. In summer 2019, I came here for media communications program in Hamburg College, and I came from Iran. So my parents were so kind and supportive and paid for my first and second college fees, which were $8,000 for each semester. For the third and fourth semester, I decided to just be responsible. I decided to just apply for the jobs. I started to work on my portfolio and work on my resume to be able to apply for design jobs and work and earn as much as I can. So when I came to Canada, I rent a room for $750, but it was a small room and I had 5 roommates, and then I moved somewhere else, and at that time I was working at the catering service. My income was so low, I couldn't even pay my rent completely, and then I decided to get a design job so that the pay is better, maybe it's more professional and it's not as tough as my server job. So I started to apply, and I'm gonna show you the portfolio, by the way. Let me just first share the story. I started to work at the marketing agency, but the agency didn't have much clients, so as a result, I didn't get paid well. I would be able to earn $600 per month. As you can see, not that much money. So after that I get my internship, which was around $2,500 for each month, which I'm so grateful. So I was able to, then I moved to another home, which the rent for one room was $600, and I had 4 roommates, and then for $600, and I saved $400 for just food, bills, and other household expenses, and then I was able to save $1,500 for my tuition. Oh yeah, that was nice. By the way, you can get tax return from you need to file your taxes in order to get tax return. So I saved the money from my tax return as well for my college, so that was also helpful. I remember it was around 2,000 or 3,000, I don't remember, but yeah, when your income is lower than something, you can be able to just get tax return, or I don't know the details, any difference for each person, but for me it was nice enough so that I can save that for my college fees as well. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos about my immigration journey to Canada, and also UX UI design videos. So let's go to the portfolios. The issue.com website, you can see so many portfolios and so many design portfolios, and I uploaded my portfolio in issue.com, as you can see here, because at that time I didn't know how to make a website, or I couldn't maybe afford that, so I just uploaded. So I made this portfolio in Adobe Illustrator, and then I upload the PDF into Issue, so that I was able to send a link to the job applications. So this is the cover. So as you can see, it's very I really wanted to show my skills and everything into the portfolio, because it needs to be visually appealing, and you're applying for a design job, so your portfolio is a sign that you can just show your skills and show your design skills. So this is the contents page. This is my resume. I have something about myself, my education, my experience, and as you can see, I have my customer service at the catering service experience here as well. So don't worry if if your experience is unrelated to design, that's totally fine. And my art exhibitions, my skills, and logo design. So these are my college assignments that I have here. I just use them in my portfolio, and also write a description about your projects as well, pretty short. And then as you can see, I have the software here, Adobe Illustrator, so that they know that I know how to work with Adobe softwares, because as a graphic designer, it's really important for you to be skillful at them. So these are the package designs that I use, and then this is again my college assignment. So with this one, I got 2 job offers, and one of them I did an interview, but it wasn't successful. But for the second one, I went through the interview, and it was successful. But the work for the internship was super tough, and yeah, it was really tough, but you get through this, and after a few months you can just get a new job. So these are my illustrations, because my BA was in graphic design, and my academic minor was in illustrations at university back in Iran. So I have my paintings here, and which I'm so proud of. So this is my university assignment, and yeah, I also have my paintings here. So I think these are very attractive to hiring managers, that they can see you are a multidisciplinary artist. And so these are my watercolor paintings, so nice, and my acrylic paintings. So as you can see, my portfolio is just have so many things. It's not just being able to use Photoshop. I also have my photography here. So this is a friend at college. So Yan, if you're seeing this video, hi. So and my photography. So yeah, these are my college assignments, and okay, that's it. So I shared this portfolio with them, and yeah, I got the job. I hope that you got an idea of how your portfolio needs to be in order to get a graphic designer internship. And just don't forget to save your money, maybe sacrifice a few moments of your life, maybe just get a small room and pay much lower rent, so that you can save money for your other whatever, like tuition, or just for survival. I don't know, like living in Canada is a bit expensive when you're a newcomer, and you need to pay attention to managing your money well. and just being able to not too afraid to just apply and not to get upset of the rejections. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and also watch this video if you want to see my first UX design portfolio that I made in Webflow, and I got the full-time job at a startup company after graduation. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.